Have you found the almost perfect home, but aren't sure how to repair it if you spend all of your funds on the purchase? At Sammamish Mortgage, our streamline renovation program is perfect for cosmetic fixes like new paint, flooring, cabinets, countertops, windows, or a replacement roof. The loan covers up to 15% of the after-remodel appraised value to help cover needed renovations. In the very competitive market that we're living in, sellers are not putting in a lot of effort before selling. How can you afford the work needed to make your new house a real home, especially after spending a significant amount of money on a competitive area and the closing costs? A traditional home improvement loan can mean a second mortgage and a bigger monthly payment. A personal loan can mean interest that is outrageously high. In contrast, renovation loans lets you borrow an amount higher than the actual purchase price of the home minus your down payment, including up to 15% of the projected appraisal value of the home after the renovations are complete. Benefits of a home renovation mortgage include a low fixed rate, an easy loan process, a way to keep extra cash in your pocket, one-time closing, no add-ons or extra costs. A streamlined renovation loan is best if your repairs aren't expected to cost more than 15% of the after-improvement value of the home. If the house needs much more or much less work than that, one of the following options may be better for your needs. Depending on the amount of equity you own, you could have a cash-out refinance. With this type of loan, you would refinance your mortgage to extract the cash needed. You can then use the funds borrowed against your equity to be used to fund a repair or remodeling that will improve the value of your new home. Another option is a HELOC. If you have decent equity in your home and want flexibility as to when you start and complete your home improvements, a home equity line of credit, HELOC, allows you to tap into your equity whenever you want. However, a HELOC typically has an extremely high rate of interest and creates a secondary obligation you'll need to pay every month. Check out the link on the description to know more about HELOC, a standard rehab or home renovation loan. If you're looking to completely update a home and you're starting at a low or no equity position, a standard home improvement loan or second mortgage with a higher rate of interest and a separate secondary payment may be your only option. A personal loan or a credit card. If you only need to do a small remodeling and can pay off the debt quickly, these can be decent options for short-term financing. Every situation is unique and will depend on what kind of renovations you want to make in your new home. Depending on how large are your needs, your specific situation might vary. This is why at Sammamish Mortgage, we have the best professional lenders to help you through the loan process. Give us a call or visit our website to have professional advice today.